For years, I was terrified of being seen. Posting felt like exposing myself to judgment, criticism, and failure. But everything changed the moment I decided to stop hiding. I stepped out of my comfort zone, not to go viral, but to inspire others by showing what's possible when you choose to be seen, to create a life that's yours, to live with intention. And guess what? Within 30 days, I grew from 500 to 11k followers organically. Some might say that's luck, and sure, there's always a sprinkle of luck, but the truth is, it was strategy. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how I use tri-reels to grow fast, even with a small audience, and how you can start doing the same today to attract followers who actually care about what you post. And this isn't about chasing reality. It's about building a brand with purpose, a platform that brings opportunity and income. And if you haven't heard of tri-reels yet, they're basically Instagram's best kept growth secret. When you post tri-reels, it only gets shown to non-followers. It won't appear on your feed unless you choose to publish it later. It won't annoy your existing audience even if you repost the same content over and over again. So it's running a free ad on Instagram. Isn't that crazy? You can post the same content over and over again with no pressure. It's just growth. So tri-reels are basically a content testing lab and a growth engine enrolled in one. And no, you don't need a big audience to get results. I started with 500 followers, and this feature has allowed me to multiply it by 20 times in 30 days. So how to post a tri-reel? Open your reels and toggle the tri-reel. That's how you can post it. But heads up, not everyone has this feature yet. You have to be sure that you have a business or content creator account and you have the latest version of Instagram. If it's still not working, I've added a workaround here. Take a screenshot and I will link it below in the description. It has worked for many of my students. So let's dive into 4 strategies that I use to grow. First, repurpose your best performing reels. Don't reinvent the wheel. Take your top performing reels and give them a second or third or fourth life with tri-reels. How? Find reels with high saves, shares, and comments, re-upload or recreate them within the same structure, try new hooks and trending audios, or just post them in the same way multiple times. Seriously, it works. And repetition isn't lazy, it's just smart marketing. Treat Instagram like a business. Instagram doesn't care if you reuse content because each tri-reel hits a fresh audience. And then the second strategy, leverage trends, but stay you. Using trending audio and formats helps you to reach more people fast. But trends only work if you stay authentic. Use them to grab attention, then inject your unique energy, message, or story. So trend and authenticity is long-term engagement. And the third strategy, use tri-reels as your personal content lab. This is one of my favorite parts. You can use tri-reels to test what works without any pressure. Try different hooks, bold statements, curiosity questions, various audios, trends, voiceovers, and then track which versions get the most saves, shares, profile visit, and followers. Your audience will tell you what they want through data. Each content piece is data. And then the fourth strategy is drive traffic to your account. Some of my best performing tri-reels were like 7-second clips where you do something controversial, and then these moments spark emotion and keep the viewers watching, which will boost reach. And with a curiosity hook and a vulnerable long caption and a CTA, you can create a funnel to attract people to your account. And pro tip is to use automation such as ManyChat so that you have automated replies. And with that, you can send a freebie straight to your audience. And real talk, tri-reels won't be this powerful forever. So this is the moment for tri-reels now. Right now, anyone can grow on Instagram. But growing with intention, that's what's built a loyal audience and trusts you and buys from you. If you want to go deeper, I put everything I wish I knew when I started into my 65-page Creator Growth Guide. Inside, you'll learn how to build a magnetic personal brand, how to mix match the right content types, how to use tri-reels to grow intentionally, how to create an engaged audience that actually wants to buy from you. It's linked below. Don't sleep on this feature. Your dream audience is just a few reels away. Let's grow the right way. I can't wait to see you growing and creating your dream life too. I believe in you. Start believing in you too.